day, and it's still snowing. So I'm still rolling around in my PJs and my all natural look, but I wanted y'all to see because I told you when I woke up I would let y'all see. The dogs have already run out and used the bathroom, but it is really cold. Here we go. Now look how much snow is on them leaves. It's very pretty. So yeah, so we're trying to get plowed out. It's cold, it's a little breezy still. The wind's not as bad as it was. Look at the trampoline over there. It's got a lot of snow in it. And there's the table. My big huge cake piece or donut or whatever you want to call it. So overnight it didn't snow quite a lot more, but pretty much probably about 3 inches more or so. There's Willow. She's like walking around. She has spurts where she wants to play in it, but then she's like done. So that's the backyard. Oh, there went a little bird. I love my barn. I love barns. I have a fetish with barns. I don't know why. Alright, so I'm going to take you around to the front and let you see what my husband is doing. That's a snow blower, and he's had to blow all of that snow off and on all day yesterday and this morning. It's noisy, but it's better than shoveling all that mess. That is a whole bunch of snow. Look how deep it is. I'll have to ask my husband what he thinks the total amount was that we really got all together. But, and look up what they're saying at the meteorologist level. But I did see this morning that some places got 30 inches, depending on how the snow bands shot back around. Because evidently it stalled out over the water and it kept pushing it back into us. So, God bless America. So I'm just sitting here on the love seat, looking out the window. It's still snowing. Plow's been through once, but the road is still yucky. It is beautiful, but it's a lot of work. Look how close it is to my Spanish flag that I forgot to take down. It's like almost touching it. It's like it probably did, and the wind blew it back and forth and it made a little dip. That is a lot of snow, people. Holy moly. I thought I heard the plow truck gonna come back through one more time, but I guess I didn't. What do you think, Willow? You like the snow? No, that's a no for you, dog. Okay. I can't believe you don't like it. You a little Yankee dog. You a little Yankee dog. I know Max ain't very much in love with it, but he deals with it. Bailey, she ain't very fond of it either. But they little southern dogs. I would have thought you would have liked it being a little Yankee dog. Yeah. What's up, Max? Glad to be inside instead of outside, ain't you, buddy? It's cold. Well, this is going to be it for a little while. I gotta go get dressed and get ready for my day. I gotta try to be at the office. They're supposed to open all our offices at 11 this morning. So right now it is about 8:20. So I gotta go get ready, and hopefully I can make it. We'll see. So I challenge y'all to be kind to one another today. Think about what a wonderful country that we live in and how blessed we really are to live here and have had the freedoms and liberties that we have had. I challenge y'all to be kind to one another. Not only that, but try to make somebody smile. I know I try to do that during the day at work and all, because, you know, especially a parent who looks like they may be a little bit down or overloaded and frustrated with the way that the schools are going right now, because up here in New York everything is hybrid, which means you go to school twice a week and you do virtual learning the other 3 days of the week. So a lot of people are stressed out because not everybody is cracked up to be a homeschool mom or dad. And coming from a mom who homeschooled, I can tell you it's not easy. You know, you have to have certain parameters in place, and if that's not your parenting style, you may either need to adapt that or, you know, I feel sorry for you. But it is hard. It is. But, so encourage somebody today. Be kind to them. Try to make them smile and see. Not only does it make their day better, but it always makes me feel better too, to know that, you know, maybe I lifted their spirits or something. So y'all have a good day. I'll try to check back with y'all later and show y'all if I get to get out to go to work. But safety first. Bye. So I'm headed to work. I have a chauffeur. Yeehaw! And I'm just going to show you a little bit of our road and on the way. So this is our road. The plow come by a couple of times and swapped it. So it's pretty deep. How deep do you think we got it?
Maybe 2 feet.
2 feet? 2 feet. Yep, it's a lot of snow. My honey has used the snowblower and the shovel today. So he would know. Oh, there's the plow. He's doing a good job. What's that in the back of it? Dirt?
Sand and salt.
Well, they're not so plowed out yet. There you go. We need one of them. Look at all that piles of snow, man. this way. Look how deep that is piled up over there. Holy moly.
Yo.
Good morning, everybody. Well, really, it's afternoon, but I'm getting ready to go outside. I got to change my Christmas garden flags to my Valentine's garden flags. I didn't do it earlier because I was busy, and then the snowstorm come in and everything, so I can't stand it no more. I'm gonna go change those flags out and show y'all how deep the snow still is. Today's Thursday, so the snowstorm came in Sunday night, snowed Sunday night, all day Monday. I showed y'all Tuesday what it looked like. I didn't do any videoing yesterday because I was working, so I'll show y'all in just a minute. I'm going out. So as you can see, it's sunny today. It's still pretty chilly though, but we've got I got an awesome husband who kept my sidewalks and everything cleared for me, and the driveway's clear. You can see how much snow we still have, and this one's not going to be so bad to change, but I got to get all the way over there to that one, so we'll see how deep it still is. I'll just do that one first. So let's see, I'm going to put this little flag over there, so I'll leave that one there. Alright, so that's where we blowed the snow off the sidewalk and packed it up. So I'm going to try to find I don't really think there's really a better way around, but let's see. Alright, so see, I have on my boots, my snow boots, and my snow pants. So here we go. Here goes nothing. Oh, Lord. I'm making it. Here, I'll show you how deep down. I don't know how good you can tell, but it's pretty deep down in there. It's crazy. Alright, so I'm going to change out my thing. I'll be right back. So I got my new little flag up. It's really cute. It's a bear. It says love for Valentine's Day. Oh. Alright, now I'm going to try to go back into my same steps. I need snowshoes. Probably busted my butt though. Whoa! Like I almost just did. Yikes! Yep, nope, that ain't working. Oh, I made it. So see, there's some of my, now it's all trampled up. Yeah, we still got a whole lot of snow. See it on top of the house? It is pretty. It's not as cold today. Next week, our highs are supposed to not get out of the 20s, and that's not going to be fun because the lows are going to be in the single digits, so I'm not looking forward to that. Here's my other little flag I'm about to change out. Bye-bye, Santa Claus. We'll be back. Alright, I got that one changed out too now. Finally got all the Christmas tree stuff done. Look how pretty this is. I love it. And there's Old Glory. love it. God bless America.